In travel news for March 22nd, 2023, we talk about upgrades coming to the Las Vegas Harry Reid Airport. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. To stay updated on travel news, tips, tricks, and other insights, which will help you to travel like an adept traveler, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We frequently release new content to keep you up to date on all things travel. The Las Vegas Harry Reid Airport is set to undergo significant renovations thanks to $31 million in funding from the recently passed Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act. The funds will go towards replacing aging infrastructure in the airport's baggage claim area, improving capacity, security, reliability, energy efficiency, and sustainability of the baggage handling system. According to airport officials, the upgrades are necessary to meet the growing demand for air travel in Las Vegas, as the airport is seeing record numbers of passengers. The improvements to the airport's baggage handling system are expected to begin in the fourth quarter of 2023. The renovations are a significant step towards improving the overall travel experience for visitors to Las Vegas. With more than 50 million people passing through the airport each year, the improvements will undoubtedly have a significant impact on the city's tourism industry. Las Vegas is a top destination for travelers from all over the world, thanks to its world-class entertainment, dining, and gaming options. With these renovations, the city's airport will be able to accommodate even more visitors, ensuring that they have a smooth and hassle-free travel experience. The improvements will also help the city maintain its status as a leading destination for both business and leisure travelers. Today in Travel is brought to you by The Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.